Hey guys, it's Isis with B-Star Sewing to do an unboxing of a printer. You're probably wondering what this has to do with sewing. I specifically got this printer to print on fabric sheets, and we're going to find out if the printer actually does that. Alright, so today we're unboxing a Pixma TS202. This is a Canon printer, color printer, and it comes with ink already in the box, a 245 and a 246. Printer's pretty small, got a pretty small footprint, which is great, because the last one I had was humongous. So let's see what's going on with this one. Right, so we got some packaging, we've got instructions that I'm probably not going to read. We've got ink and a power cord. More instructions I'm probably not going to read. This is an extremely lightweight printer. Very bored. So, zip. Lots of tape stuck on it. Let's see what this printer can do. I guess we'll find out. And we've got instructions on the front for which cartridge goes where. Got our cartridges here. Both cartridges open. Color cartridge is already in there, so just put it in there. And this one, push it until you can't push any further, and it clicks into place. Pretty easy. So we've got everything connected. Power supply and USB to the computer. I suppose I should turn on the power strip. Printer does come on. The printer is installed and we are now going to print a test page. Right, so I've got my labels set up and ready to print. This is the printable fabric that I use for making labels, and that's what I'm about to put in the printer, and let's see how it does. So I've got our fabric paper backing on it. This in the printer. Up down there. actual print on printable fabric. This looks fantastic. For a $40 printer, this is excellent. So to set the ink, I need my ironing board, need an iron, I need to peel off the backing, so I just have fabric. Sometimes this is kind of tricky to peel off, as you can see. Works out eventually. And iron it. And we're gonna cut, for now, just 2 strips. We're gonna put it in the serger so that the sides are nice and clean. We don't have to serge the tops or the bottom because those are gonna get sewn into whatever project these labels get sewn into, and fold them in half, and they are good for getting sewn into a project. If you'd like more information about B-Star sewing classes, workshops, and events, please visit www.bstarsewing.com.